This guy right here. It's called the mngarista Ultra Slim RFID wallet. Without any further ado, let's get into it. Yeah. All right, this is what she looks like. Now, here's what's really cool about this. Yeah, that's what I saw in there. This is your money clip. You put your cash in here. It's got a nice little felt fuzziness about this. Really cool here. An extra lanyard piece, I guess. Oh, yeah, it's this guy right here. That's internal. And then you got, so you can take it apart and put this guy in here. You've got this little Torx screw that will work. Oh, yeah. I'll definitely work on those. Okay, so what we have here in the unboxing basically is your ID. Put your put your ID in here. It'll slide in here, lock into place. It looks like it only fit one card. And then internally inside this, you can see you'll be able to open up and put your credit cards in here. So we're going to put our cards in here. I'm going to start with an ID. This is about the best as I can get. Yeah, wrong side, knucklehead. So as an example, boom, there it is. And if you had an ID in here, this would be pretty nice, I think. And then, of course, you could pop it out, and out she comes. So you put your ID in there, boom, and then you take the rest of your credit cards and whatnot, and you put them right there. Bam. There's your wallet. Put a little bit of cash there. Put your cards in there. If you need them out, just pop them out. Grab your ID. Grab any credit card you need. That's it. We're going to do a review on this here in a little bit, but just wanted to show you this RFID style smaller wallet. Really cool. This is really nice. I think this is going to be fun addition, and this is going to be my daily driver. I'm going to use this. This is going to be my wallet. Cool. I'm out.